Welcome back. Today we'll learn how to reset the password in the WellSky Personal Care app. To begin, enter your email address and then click Continue to log in. First, enter a password that you believe is associated with your account and click Login. If it is incorrect, you will see this response of an invalid username/password. To reset the password, simply click Forgot Password. Please enter your email again and then click Reset. Once submitted, you'll get a notification at the top of the page that prompts us to go to our email address for further instructions. Go to your email to find the ClearCare Password Reset instructions. A unique code will be in the email that you will need on the following screen. Please write it down so you do not forget. When you are ready, please click this link to reset your password. You will be taken to this screen in which you will enter your email address, create a new password, and type that same password again for confirmation. The unique code that you found in your email will be entered here. Now you may click Submit to continue. Next, you will see this screen. Please exit the internet browser to go back to your home screen. Locate the WellSky app on your phone. Open it. Please enter your email address and click Continue to log in. You will then enter the password that you just created and click Log in. You're logged in. Good work! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.